Alam nyo bang since naging congressman si Edwin Garjola, pumalo sa bilyon-bilyong piso ang DPWH projects na napanalunan ng mga kumpanya ng kanyang pamilya? Inimbestigahan namin sa Rappler ito lalo pat buhay na naman ang mga diskusyon sa mga kongresistang kontratista raw. Here's what we found, himayin natin. Garjola and his companies are no stranger to allegations of corruption. Ang mga kumpanya niya at kanyang mga kapamilya, namely JSG Construction at E. Garjola Construction, ay top DPWH contractors noong panahon ni Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. Minsan na ring napasama si Garjola sa investigasyon ng Kamara. Noong 2013, na-question ang mga umano'y nawawalang pondo ng DPWH, kabilang na ang supposedly hindi pa tapos na kalsada worth 100 million pesos sa mataas na kahoy, ang hometown ng mga Garjola sa Batangas. Ang conclusion ng Kongreso in 2015, bagamat walang napatunayang pagwaldas ng pera, hindi sumunod ang mga proyekto sa procurement laws at pwede raw maging liable ang ilang construction companies for deficient projects. Yung kumpanya rin ng kanyang kapatid at hipag, yung E. Garjola Construction, na flag rin niya ng COA in 2014 for proceeding with the C5 extension project even without a contract. Ang ending, marami raw depekto. As of May 2025, treasurer pa rin si Garjola ng JSG Construction, although it no longer bids for government projects. Ang E. Garjola Construction naman, iba na ang pangalan, Newington Builders. Hindi rin napansin before, pero may isa pang kumpanya, ang mga Garjola, na big-time contractor na rin. Ang S.A.N. Construction ay pagmamayari ng kanyang asawa at mga anak. We computed the value of the contracts that these two companies had won based on the available information on the DPWH website. From 2023 to 2025, o sa nakalipas na 2.5 taon lang nasa tumataginting na 16 billion pesos. Napakalaking talon yan from the 9 billion pesos they had won over a 7-year period from 2016 to 2022. May iba pang construction companies ang pamilya: Laurel Development Corporation, Redinex Construction, at Lara Builders. Yung Laurel, as of 2024, pagmamayari yan ng isa pang kapatid ni Garjola na nag-donate noong 2022 ng 7 million pesos sa kampanya ng party list group niya na Construction Workers Solidarity o CWS, yung heavily endorsed by Joshua Garcia in the past elections. Yung kapatid ni Garjola ay vice mayor na ngayon ng Mataas na Kahoy. Karamihan sa mga kontratang napanalunan ng mga kumpanya ni Garjola ay road projects, although since 2023, umabot na rin sa 4.9 billion pesos ang flood control projects na nakuha nila. Since 2022, Garjola has been a member of the powerful House Appropriations Committee. This committee, which he is a part of, has reviewed the proposed national budgets for 2023 to 2025. Hindi kasalukuyang officer o shareholder si Garjola ng mga kumpanyang currently ay contractors ng DPWH. Although, the present-day fortunes of the firms owned by his immediate family raise important questions about the intersection of political power and business interests and the inadequate safeguards against conflict of interest. Hinihingi namin ang panig ni Congressman Garjola. Pinanindigan ng kampo niya na walang financial interest o involvement ang mambabatas sa S.A.N. o Newington. 15 years na rin daw tumigil ang operasyon ng JSG Construction at mula nang mahalal noong 2022, naging committed daw si Garjola sa highest standards of transparency and accountability. You can read the full story on the Rappler website. There we laid out summary tables, family trees, and column charts so you can see where their businesses thrived across regions. This is the second part of this investigative series. Kung maalala nyo, just a few months ago, Rappler also looked into the business empire of Zaldico. This is what investigative journalism makes possible, and we're able to continue doing it because of your support. Please help us keep the momentum going. Kung may mga kilala kayong politiko na kontratista sa inyong lugar, message us on the Rappler Communities app, tell us about the company or companies tied to them, and we'll look them up for you to the best of our ability. Reporting for Rappler, I'm Dwight De Leon.